Guys, we will review this beautiful 4-star hotel in the heart of the social and business district of San Benito, San Salvador.
Check out this spinning shoe. Coach. What's in here? There is this station where you can use computer. If you need to use one of them, I guess you can. Phones. There's the front desk right here.
The hotel staff is very friendly and provides excellent customer service.
Once you check in, they give you 2 coupons for the free cocktail drink in the Strikers bar. And we did use it, so yeah, it was 2 free drinks.
This room features 2 queen beds, and we also requested an additional twin bed for our daughter, which had a one-time charge of $11 for the entirety of our stay. A quick tip, remember to bring your Amazon Fire TV stick as the hotel provides free Wi-Fi connectivity.
The spa center provides a range of services including facials, waxing, massages, and more. Additionally, there's a spinning room available. The artistic decorations are impressive.
Oh, and there's this snack vending machine that we're using because we're getting water from here. I think we're the one buying all the water, just 2 bottles left. Fitness center that people actually use. You can weight yourself.
Those are staying active, and by the way, the room offers a great selection of live fitness exercise equipment. If working out is your idea of a vacation activity, you will appreciate this room.
Check out this jacuzzi. This is like an attic jacuzzi.
This time it's really hot.
Yeah. And I guess there's a button where you turn it on really like, oh, can you turn it on? Look at jacuzzi. Whoa! It's boiling you.
Guys, we're in the jacuzzi. I can't handle this. It's super hot.
It's super hot?
Yeah.
You can't handle it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I can handle this.
Can you handle it, Daddy?
Wow, está pero súper caliente esta agua. Es como que están haciendo una
Can you
sopa.
guys handle it?
Babe, you ever thought you were going to be in a jacuzzi in El Salvador like this?
No, I didn't.
Oh, yeah.
And there's also a sauna. I think right here is the sauna.
Oh, man. Are you going to go in there?
El Salvador. What El?
You can have some water if you're thirsty. Let's see that it's off. But yeah, this is a sauna. Whoa, we won't be able to see nothing in there. Go in for a second. Can I take the camera? Yeah, I'm not gonna take it here because it's too hot. We'll just leave Vanessa in there. Bye. Good morning. We're here in Barceló Hotel in San Salvador, and this is how we're gonna eat our breakfast. We pick a table outside. We're getting some coffee.
El desayuno de buffet ya está listo. Cuando gusten pueden pasar a servirse.
Oh, yeah.
Ahí en la parte ahí pueden agilizar. Ahí le preparan pupusas y huevos al gusto. Y todo lo demás adentro.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Gracias, señor. Everything. I ordered con todos with everything, which is pepper, mushroom, onion, tomato. I think that's spinach. Here you get your coffee. I get me, this one is pretty good. Yeah, no, I'm gonna take a look. So here you can have French toast, pancakes, you can use syrup, honey, or chocolate syrup. Tosha got his plate. I think that's tamales, and this is, they call it fajitas, but I think it's more like bistec cebollado. I think that's more like that. Hash brown, and Sita keeps eating the hash brown, they're pretty good. And that's potato something, bacon, sausage, plátanos, plátanos fritos are gone. You can get curtida for your pupusa, and pupusa is over there. This toast is pretty good. Oh, they don't have the bread that I like. Oh, just getting himself some ham. Mine is loroco with cheese.
Loroco and queso.
Okay, guys. I have a pupusa. Oh, it's hot. You just flip it. Cheese pupusa.
Cheese pupusa?
Yeah, it's so hot. I can't eat it yet. I'm gonna eat my food here.
What are you eating, baby?
I'm eating hash browns and a donut.
Breakfast here, have some ham, roast beef, cheese, eggs, fajitas, curtido, potatoes, and a piece of bread, and my coffee.
I'm in the pool.
I like it.
Really? Tell us more about it.
It's really cool. The hotel is really nice.
You like the hotel?
Do you like
yeah.
the pool?
Yeah.
What's your favorite
maybe
part?
the breakfast.
Oh yeah, breakfast
Yeah,
so
it's
good.
so good.
Yeah.
My favorite
Oh my God,
part
what happened to your hair?
I dyed my hair ginger.
Oh wow. Here in El Salvador?
Yeah.
Wow, that's very nice. What about you, little dude?
I have the Ronaldo hairstyle.
Just opposite the hotel, there's a McDonald's restaurant, unfortunately a favorite among our kids. Additionally, directly in front of the hotel, you'll find a newly opened Bamboo City Center shopping center, boasting excellent shops and a variety of restaurants to choose from. Cebada.
Tamarind.
Oh, that's fine. Tamarind.
And me and Vika, we got mojito. Sushi burrito. And they put soya meat in there. That's what that's
Do you? Una quesadilla.
You have one here.
Oh, yeah. We celebrated New Year's Eve at this fantastic spot. At the end of the video, we'll share the breathtaking fireworks show in San Salvador. Guys, our experience at this hotel was delightful, and we highly recommend it. Its location, amenities, customer service, and affordability checked all our boxes, and the kids loved it.
Yeah.